In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video on Figma. By the end, you'll have a clickable video thumbnail in your Figma prototype that opens your YouTube video when viewers interact with it. First, open your Figma file. You can follow along in any design you're working on. Make sure the page or frame where you want the video to appear is visible on your canvas. Next, create or select a thumbnail image for the video. This can be a screenshot from the video, a branded cover, or any image that represents the content clearly. If you already have a thumbnail on the canvas, click it once to select it. If you're importing a new one, drag it onto the canvas and position it where you want users to click. Now, add a play button icon on top. This step is optional, but it helps users understand the image is interactive. You can use a play icon from your components, an icon library, or a simple triangle in a circle. Place it in the center of the thumbnail so it's easy to see. Adjust the size and color so it contrasts well with the image beneath. Once it looks right, leave it in place. Select the thumbnail. This ensures the interaction you're about to create is attached to the thumbnail image. Look for the blue outline and check the right-hand panel to confirm the correct layer is selected. If you accidentally have the play icon selected, click the thumbnail instead. Go to the Prototype tab. You'll find it in the right sidebar next to Design. Click Prototype to switch from Styling to Interaction Settings. You should see a small blue node appear near the selected object. Drag the blue node to create an interaction. Click and drag that circular node to anywhere on the canvas. When you release, the Interaction Details panel opens. This is where you define what happens when someone clicks your thumbnail during presentation. Set the action to Open Link. In the interaction settings, make sure the trigger is set to On-Click so it responds to a standard click or tap. Then, for the action, choose Open Link. This tells Figma to open a web address when the thumbnail is clicked. Paste your YouTube video URL. Copy the full YouTube link from your browser and paste it into the URL field. Use the complete URL so it opens correctly. You'll see the link appear right in the interaction settings. Double-check there are no extra spaces before or after the link. Once that's done, you click outside the panel to apply the interaction. The connection line will remain attached to your thumbnail, indicating the link is set. Click Present to test it. Go to the top right corner and select Present. Your prototype will open in a presentation window. Hover over the thumbnail and click it. Figma should immediately open your YouTube video in a new browser tab. If you added a play button on top, remember to click the thumbnail area itself. If the link opens to your video as expected, you're done. Close the presentation when you're finished testing. At this point, your YouTube video is effectively embedded in your Figma prototype as a clickable element, using the Open Link interaction. Anyone viewing your prototype can click the thumbnail to watch the video. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.